Back to part 2 of my salad video. In the previous video, we made a very delicious sweet potato and quinoa mason jar salad that's so portable and customizable. One of the customizable ingredients about that salad is that you can use different salad dressings, and there's no point in buying a salad dressing when you can make it at home and some extra added preservatives or salts or sugars. You get to control everything that goes into it and make it as fresh and healthy as possible, so that's definitely the way to go. Salad dressings also require no blending, so you don't have to have a food processor, you don't have to use a blender, you can just whisk it up with a fork, or you can just shake it up in the mason jar, so it makes it even easier and quicker. So no excuses. Today we have 4 vegan, no oil dressings, and they are so good. We're gonna do a tahini dressing, and tahini is just ground sesame seeds. And if for some reason you can't find tahini, but you should be able to because even Walmart has it now, or you don't like tahini, you can replace it with an almond butter or a seed butter, whatever you like, but I suggest trying the tahini first. We're gonna do a creamy balsamic. We're gonna do a fruit vinaigrette, so if you like raspberry or apricot or blueberry, whatever flavor you like, whatever fruit you like, we're gonna do a vinaigrette. And we're gonna start off with a smoky maple mustard dressing. So we have these 4 dressings coming up for you guys. I think you're gonna really enjoy them. If you try them, please let me know. Take a picture and tag me on Instagram or on Facebook, or leave a comment below. I really love y'all's interaction. And if you want more recipes like this, please let me know and I'll be happy to do more. Thanks guys, can't wait to hear what you guys think about it.
This dressing is great on anything. All you need is some maple syrup, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and liquid smoke. All the ingredients and measurements are on my website, mynaijabarber.com. It's really simple. Just pour everything into a mason jar, stir it up or shake it, whatever you prefer, and that's it. Keeping things low fat and flavorful, I have a fruity vinaigrette for you guys. In this video, I'm using a cherry jam. Use whatever type of fruit jam you like. Blueberry, apricot, raspberry. All you need is the jam and some balsamic vinegar, and that's it, guys. This is a great salad dressing that you can use for pretty much anything, especially for hearty vegetables like broccoli and kale. For this recipe, you need balsamic vinegar, tahini, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, maple syrup, garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, and just a little water to thin it out. Once again, whisk everything together until creamy, and then you just add water to make it your desired consistency. It's really straightforward. You guys will love it. You can really put it on anything. Give this one a try. Balsamic dressings are a favorite of most folks who eat salads or use dressings. And making it oil-free, we just added in some tahini to give it its creaminess and remove the oil. So it's really delicious. This recipe calls for balsamic vinegar, tahini, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, maple syrup, garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, and water to thin it out as needed. All the ingredients and measurements are on my website. It's linked in the description box below. Give this one a try. This is probably my favorite dressing, and this is the dressing that is in the video right now, making the salad. Really give it a try, guys. It's super delicious.
That is very, very good.
What do you like about it?
I like the sweetness in the dressing. And quinoa. I would have never even thought about putting quinoa on rice. But the dressing sets it all off. And then the fresh lettuce from the farmer's market, you can taste the difference. Being fresh picked like that.
What difference do you taste?
They're like softer in a sense. Got a crunchiness, but soft at the same time. They don't taste bland, like watery. It's real good.
So you're surprised at how delicious the salad is?
I'm not surprised because you made it.
Oh, that's very sweet.
But it is very good though. I like the dressing. I would prefer to make the dressing like this rather than buy dressing. That's for sure.
Awesome. And he was not led to say any of this. Thank you.